On a quiet night inside a 100-story skyscraper, a garbage can at the 50th floor sky lobby suddenly erupted in flames. The building is full of sleeping residents still oblivious to the fire inside their building. You're a firefighter. Is this your nightmare scenario? Luckily, we are in Lumen City in the year 2050. Let's see what the future of firefighters and fire safety could be like. Hey, this is Sage Bubo, your Techno-sopher. Let me give you a glimpse of what 2050 could look like and how you can help build this future. Back to our burning story. In 2050, advanced building codes and technological innovations make this newly constructed skyscraper safer than ever. All waste receptacles have built-in sensors that can accurately detect heat, smoldering smoke, and dangerous chemicals. Turns out, minutes before the garbage can erupted into flames, sensors already picked up the telltale signs of a potential fire and alerted the automated building security system. The resilient building security system uses sophisticated arrays of sensors, including video and thermal cameras in common areas, to monitor and assess key parameters on every floor. Data such as number of occupants, the real-time condition of equipment like elevators, and environmental conditions like heat, oxygen, smoke, and dangerous gases are all fed into the automated system for continuous analysis. With the smoldering flame detected early, the building security system's AI predictive algorithm already modeled how the fire will develop in the next crucial seconds. It immediately reports the situation to human security supervisors at the central control room and also sends a direct call out to the Lumen City Fire Department. Were you expecting sprinkler heads above the burning garbage can to start spraying water now? No, that's only the very last line of defense. The building security system had already dispatched a heat-resistant safety robot to approach the flame. It then deploys a state-of-the-art firefighting blanket over the garbage can, smothering the flame and depriving it of oxygen. The robot is also armed with highly effective chemical suppression, ready to deploy in case the fire breaches through the blanket. Just as the AI algorithm predicted, the fire was effectively contained and put out within 1 minute of detecting the smoldering flame. All building occupants remain sound asleep without being disturbed. Redundant sets of safety robots are stationed on every floor of this ultra-modern building, ready to fight fires, isolate hazardous substances, and carry out rescue operations when needs arise. What about old buildings? You may ask. The days of human firefighters risking their lives blindly entering a burning building are long gone. Building safety robots, like the ones in the modern skyscraper, are fully adaptable to classic buildings and are mandatory fixtures in the Lumen City Building Code. Separately, the Lumen City Fire Department also has its own army of autonomous vehicles and heavy-duty robots ready to tackle all situations, ranging from trapped animals to handling a full-blown citywide disaster. Rest assured, human firefighters will still be in tip-top mental and physical shape to cover shortfalls from safety robots. Virtual and augmented reality firefighting training environments will be the norm. They will face tough training scenarios that will fully test their physical, mental, and ethical capabilities. Critical split-second decision-making under tremendous pressures will continue to be an invaluable skill in 2050. Hope you enjoyed my glimpse of firefighting work in 2050. How does this sound? Leave me a comment with what you think the future may hold. If you like this episode, show your support by hitting like and subscribe. See you next time.